Dear IF community, please allow me to address the IF family and global space community in this challenging period in my capacity as IF president. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic affects everyone's daily life and inevitably also the work of the International Astronautical Federation and our planned IF activities for 2020. But let me reassure you that the IF remains agile, innovative, and resilient. Since its creation in 1951, the International Astronautical Federation has become the world's leading space advocacy body with almost 400 member organizations from nearly 70 countries. Taking over the presidency of the IF last year in Washington, D.C., it has been my firm intention to guarantee a sustainable further development of the Federation, taking into account and responding to the current and future global challenges ahead. And I have enthusiastic vice presidents and colleagues from the IF Secretariat that support me all the way to make this happen. To that end, we have set up an IF global advocacy agenda focusing on 3 main topics that I would like to present to you through this video. First, the IF needs to support and facilitate global space governance. The IF will keep providing the platform to enhance global space governance, bringing together a diverse community of space leaders and stakeholders for an open, inclusive, and constructive dialogue, leading to concrete partnerships and joint efforts for the benefit of all humankind. Second, the IF needs to stimulate and propel global space economy. The global space economy is currently valued at about $350 billion, and space is an important driver of socio-economic development. The IF has the ambition to play the role of a catalyst and support the integration of new space actors, entrepreneurs, and specifically also non-space industries and organizations into the global space economy and to foster cross-sector synergies. And in the current COVID-19 situation, this is even more important as we need to strengthen the space sector and its role in the world economy. Third, the IF needs to influence and foster global space advocacy. Exploiting the rising popularity and increasing democratization of space, the IF will expand its effort by reaching out, inspiring the general public and decision makers through new dedicated activities and initiatives such as the Ambassador Program and specific public outreach strategies. Space is not only the final frontier, it is an inspiration for future generations of engineers, scientists, entrepreneurs, and every citizen worldwide. With the recent flight and docking of the Crew Dragon capsule, also a new era of human spaceflight and space exploration begins. Dear IF community, the IF is nothing without its members, partners, and participant volunteers. Together, we will be stronger and more resilient in the current situation. That is why, together with the IF Bureau, we have decided that despite the challenges we face due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we still want our community to gather around a main event in 2020. I'm therefore very pleased to announce that we will be hosting an IAC 2020, but for the first time in a virtual format. The 71st International Astronautical Congress, the Cyberspace Edition, will take place in your homes and offices around the world between 12th and 14th October 2020. The IAC 2020, the Cyberspace Edition, will be free of charge for the global space community because now, more than ever, we need to reach out to new communities and stakeholders that would normally not be able or have the means or time to physically travel to the IAC. The theme of the IAC 2020, the Cyberspace Edition, will indeed be about the IAF motto, IAF connecting all space people. As the world is facing this massive pandemic challenge, the role of the Federation in the space community has become of paramount importance in connecting people globally. Virtually and for free, we will embrace resilience by being connected. So please do join us on 12th to 14th of October 2020 and add your voice to the space community. As usual, the IAC 2020 will have a rich program of plenaries, highlight lectures, the IAF Global Networking Forum, technical sessions, press conferences, and networking sessions. The 2.5 days of the IAC 2020 will be revolving around a specific theme. Monday, as per IAC tradition, will be the opening day focusing on space agencies and governance of the space sector. Tuesday will be the industry day with the new space economy on the spotlight. And Wednesday, the diversity outreach day on the principle of the 3G, gender, generation, geography. Finally, I want to inform you that the 72nd IAF Congress will be held in Dubai in October 2021, and the 73rd IAF Congress will be held in Paris. In these difficult times, I wish the Federation and its members, and you and your loved ones, good health and an optimistic perspectives on the future. Your utmost dedication and support, your time, your commitment to the Federation and the space sector, your work and your passion are the perfect ingredients for allowing to advance space for the benefit of all humankind. Thank you very much.